Ladies, can you see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. For those who
Yes.
are first timers in this v-online.com, okay. So you can see this is the page that comes up. And if you want to go for the products, or suppose you want to become a vendor, you have to go here, become a vendor and fill up that form. Okay. But if you want to, okay. Those who are already members of v-online.com, they can log in over here and become the member. And if you want to go to the store, if for purchasing any products, you can directly go to the store from your v-online.store. Or else, if now we have already brought the store here in front, so you can see various products over here. Now, suppose you want to go, for example, on sub products. So for example, let us go to healing products. So these are some of the healing products that we have, like Purify the House. This is actually Payal's products. You can choose the range over here and go there. Um, then suppose you want to go for innovative. These are the new products. So these are some innovative products that we have this nano hydrometer Sangeeta was talking about. So we have various products over here. These are completely innovative products from Hitachi and uh, GNA. Um, we can also go, so now we also have categories of training and coaching and webinars. So if you want to book any training, we have like Jyotirmay Yoga. If you want to book sessions, we have over here. If you want to book online math, science, English classes, Ankita Lodha's, we have here. Sangeet, then we have Snigdha Gupta's various programs over here. I hope you are able to see. So now if you want to go to beauty and cosmetics, so we have all the products. We have product from NARS. We have a product from Bedis. You can have all these products over here. So if you want some florists over here, we have gifting solutions. So you can go to Rakhi. For example, you want to go to Vaishali's Rakhi. So when you click on that, you will also get various categories as well. Okay. So now you can see the products available over here. Rakhi for different available. Now you can see the pattern one. This includes shipping. This is the pattern one. Okay. You go to pattern two. So we have varieties over here itself. So pattern three. So in this way, you can go to all the patterns, and she has put a products which includes shipping as well. I hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, I just went out. So with this, we have, so this is the way you all can run through all the products over here. We have just started 1 month back, and we are trying to keep on upgrading. We also, like for example, we go to clothing. Yeah. So we have varieties of saris. You can see we have all our products over here. You can go to the next page as well. Like for example, let's go to summer special of this is Preeti Jain's product. Okay, now suppose this is summer special night suit. Okay, it's mentioned one t-shirt, one lower, one short. Okay, now choose an option. You can choose the size L and XXL. So this is very user friendly. So that if you want to go, you go to the PayPal. You can add the product and go to PayPal. Okay. Any queries, you can always contact me. So I request you all to also post the link. No. Jewelries, we have 98 as of now jewelry products. So these are the various jewelries. You can see huge range of jewelries. So Sanskritis jewelries are also available over here. We have Anita Banerjee's jewelries also. So those who have taken e-commerce platform and your already 5 products have been added, I request each of you to please keep on adding products. The more number of products you add, it will be useful for you only. You can see this is Sanskritis product. This is made on marble. Sanskriti, I request you to add more products.
Yes, Chaitanya, I'll do very.
Yes, please do that. Please do that. Yeah. Okay. So ladies, those who are new, you can join us at, I'm sharing the link as well. You can WhatsApp me at 9867-210-670. You can also, 1 minute, I have some more.
Chaitali, I am also on V Online.
Oh, 1 minute. Huh? I'm not able to see anybody for 1 minute. Can you give me 1 second, please? Okay. Yeah, Mridula. Mridula is also there. Mridula, we received your products yesterday, so we will be uploading within this week. So it takes 4 to 5 working days to upload them. So our team yesterday was not working.
So I come under service and products both.
Yes, you are into products. We have taken because the number of products are more from your side. And I hope you liked it, ladies, because I have also done this for the first time. Okay. For people who have joined you can please join. You can WhatsApp me. You can email me at venclave WEENCLAVE @gmail.com. Yes, you can go to v-online.com. And yes, now let's definitely we should have our own W picture. Please switch on your videos, and please join today at 5 o'clock. And yes, if you have time, please join at 3 o'clock as well for our next set of women entrepreneurs. As we say, we grow together. So definitely we all need to support our V members who are coming at 3 o'clock for their presentation. It will be really helpful. And I hope you all have already filled up the forms. I will sending it to you. Let's have our VP. I request everybody to please switch on their videos. I'm not, who is ND? I don't know ND. Who is ND? Nirupama, Amisha, Priyanka, Gurmeet, Kavita ji, please please switch on your videos. Preeti, Sangeeta, please switch on your videos. Anindita, I can't see you. Priyanka, Nirupama, please switch on your videos. Kavita ji, please switch on. Snigdha, please switch on your video. And let's have our, this is W for the new people. W, Sangeeta, please do this. W. Yes. So smile, please. So thank you so much. Thanks to each of you for all your support to V. Thanks, and I'll get back to you we are coming up with something new concept next month, which is stories of women entrepreneurs, something very new. You will love that. And yes, keep on posting on v-online.com. And yes, let's grow together. Looking forward to see you at 3 o'clock, and again post that at 5 o'clock for our webinar. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much, Chaitali.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitali.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitali. Bye.
Please join in our upcoming webinar at 5 p.m. today.
Yes.